Have you ever wondered why avocados are celebrated as the green treasure? Hold tight, because in a few moments, I'm going to reveal some jaw-dropping transformations your body undergoes when you eat this luscious fruit every day. Think you're an avocado pro? Prepare to be surprised. We all adore the rich, velvety flavor of avocados, whether it's spread on toast, tossed in salads, or mashed into guacamole. But what if this small green wonder has secrets that can transform your well-being? Whether you're an avid avocado lover or an occasional indulger, by the end of this video, you'll see avocados in a whole new light. Today, we delve into the remarkable benefits of consuming avocado daily. From the unexpected to the astounding, you'll be hooked on every word. Let's dive into the green goodness. Hailing from the radiant lands of Mexico and Central America, avocados, once whimsically known as aguacate or alligator pears, are truly in a class by themselves. Technically berries, they are nutritional titans boasting more fats, calories, and proteins than most other fruits. They are a treasure trove of fiber, potassium, B vitamins, and carotenoids. And can we take a moment to appreciate that luxurious buttery taste with a hint of nuttiness? Absolutely irresistible. Yet, considering their caloric content, you might wonder, are these silky wonders genuinely beneficial for me, or is indulging in them truly justified? Join me as we uncover what the research reveals about daily indulgence in avocados. Be prepared for some tantalizing revelations. Number 1. Improve your gut health. Have you ever considered that the state of your stomach profoundly influences your overall mood and feelings? Well, surprise, surprise, avocados might just be the secret champions your gut has been longing for. Let's break it down. A single avocado contains a substantial 13.5 grams of fiber. To put that in perspective, the 2020 to 2025 dietary guidelines for Americans recommend aiming for 28 to 34 grams of fiber daily. This means that by enjoying just one avocado, you're nearly halfway to your daily goal. Why is this significant? Fiber is like gourmet food for the friendly microbes residing in your stomach. They feast on it, ferment it, and create marvelous entities known as short-chain fatty acids. These are the supreme caretakers of your gut, maintaining a balanced and healthy environment. And here's an interesting tidbit: avocados act like prebiotic maestros, orchestrating the perfect ambience for all this beneficial gut activity. But wait, there's more. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2021 revealed that regular avocado consumption increases the number of beneficial bacteria in our gut. This avocado alchemy also leads to a reduction in harmful bile acids that can cause inflammation and other digestive disturbances. So, next time you enjoy the creamy richness of an avocado, remember that you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also nourishing your gut. Number 2. Reduce heart disease risk. Our friends at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have reported that, unfortunately, heart disease remains the leading cause of death in the United States. So, how do we keep our heart strong and healthy? Enter potassium, magnesium, fiber, folate, monounsaturated fats, polyphenol, and antioxidants, all found in abundance in our beloved avocado. Let's dive into some scientific evidence. A 2022 study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association revealed some intriguing insights. Consuming avocados can significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular and coronary heart diseases by an impressive 16 to 22%. The trick? Simply replace some of your usual foods like butter, cheese, or processed meat with a scoop of creamy avocado. Furthermore, a 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted avocado's ability to lower harmful oxidized LDL cholesterol, which can clog our arteries. With these heart-protecting benefits, avocados truly are a treasure trove of nutrients for cardiovascular health. Number 3. Boost brain function. Seeking a mental boost? Reach for an avocado. If you want to maintain a sharp mind and wave goodbye to those, "oh, what was it again," moments, listen up, avocados might just be the brain-boosting companion you've been searching for. A comprehensive study in 2020 by the International Journal of Psychology revealed some captivating findings about avocados. These velvety delights are rich in a unique compound called lutein. Lutein isn't just any compound, it has a special ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. Once there, it acts as a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, promoting not just a protected brain, but a thriving one. And there's more. A 2021 study in Frontiers in Nutrition presented even more tantalizing insights. Seniors who regularly enjoyed avocados or delicious guacamole showed superior cognitive test performance. The true benefit? A boost in memory. As we age, memory is often the first area where we notice issues, but incorporating avocados into our diet could potentially unlock revolutionary benefits. Number 4. Maintain a healthy weight. You might be thinking, hold on a second, aren't avocados pretty dense in calories because of all their fat? Well, it's time to clear up any misconceptions. A 2022 revelation in the Journal of the American Heart Association has some interesting findings to share. Folks who enjoyed an avocado each day for 6 months didn't gain weight. Yes, you heard that right, no added pounds. Here's another intriguing piece of avocado intel. A 2019 study published in Nutrients suggested that our vibrant green friend might even help prevent the accumulation of unwanted extra pounds. And here's a special note for the ladies. A 2021 study from the Journal of Nutrition suggests that a daily avocado habit might just be the secret to keeping stubborn visceral fat at bay. What makes avocados champions of weight control? The answer lies in 2 key elements: fiber and monounsaturated fats. The fiber in avocados helps you feel satiated, reducing those unexpected snack attacks. Meanwhile, monounsaturated fats, such as oleic acid, may help regulate fat storage when consumed in moderation, according to a 2021 review in Nutrients. Number 5. Shielded from disease and infection. Did you know that avocados act like miniature protectors, warding off health villains lurking about? That's right, they're the guardians fighting against numerous nasty health foes. Avocados are brimming with B vitamins, like little warriors shielding you from various ailments and infections. And we can't overlook their loyal companions, vitamins C and E, which are believed to work together to ward off certain menacing cancers. But the goodness doesn't end there. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin concealed within are the unsung heroes of the ocular realm. Thanks to them, your eyes could maintain their sharpness, helping to prevent complications such as cataracts and macular degeneration. So, the next time you savor that creamy, rich avocado, remember you're not only indulging your palate but also bestowing your body with a package of wellness wonders. Here are some tips for choosing the best avocado. Ready to become a maestro in selecting the perfect avocado? We've all been there, strolling through the produce aisle, confronted by an ocean of avocados, wondering, is this little gem going to be ripe for my avocado toast by tomorrow? First, let's talk colors. Look for avocados with darker skin, it's a sign they're reaching their ripening peak. Next, give it a gentle press. If it yields slightly but isn't overly squishy, you've likely found the perfect one. Here's a pro tip, check the small stem at the top. Flick it off, and if it reveals a beautiful green shade beneath, it's practically shouting, I'm ready for the guacamole gig. Oh no, ended up with a rock-solid avocado? No worries. Place it in a brown paper bag along with an apple. The synergy between the two will turn that hard avocado creamy and ready in no time. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.